Hello and welcome to my channel, Lookem. I am Frank. Today we will see a few facts about the original Leatherman Juice Family. The Juice serie is the smallest and lightest multitools made by Leatherman. As you can see, when we compare a wave to the Juice, a Juice CS4, open or close, the Juice seems to be a tiny little tool in comparison with the wave. Talking about lightness, the wave is 240 grams, 8.4 ounces, when the Juice Pro is only 190 grams or 6.7 ounces. This lightness is only possible by its size and its skeletonized framing. Aluminum scales are for cosmetics only. The real strength is given by the skeletonized stainless steel frame underneath. Leatherman has made a lot of testing to find the best balance between lightness and toughness. I am sure they wound a lot of juice to find the right amount of triangles cut out in the steel frame. The date is hidden inside the handle, close to the Phillips screwdriver. It's very difficult to find and very difficult to read. Only early juice models have the Leatherman USA stamped on the pliers. Leatherman has lost a lawsuit in California. That's why, after the marking has been replaced by Leatherman tools only. Or sometimes the USA stamping has been graded. The naming pattern is pretty easy. The models are named after the tools they have outside, accessible outside. C for corkscrew, S for scissors, K for knife, F for file. Except for the XE6, no tools beginning by E or X. And the number is given by the number of external tools on this particular model. Maybe I should say should be, because let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tools on the CS4. Weird. Handle thickness mismatch. The handles thickness are mismatched in a lot of models. As you can see on the CS4, there's a huge difference between the two parts of the handle. This is due to the layers of tools in each model. They could have resolved by adding spacing layers, but they didn't. Screwdriver length, or maybe I should have said screwdriver's shortness. These are the shortest screwdrivers on the Leatherman multi-tool. But wait, I'm using a ruler. Where is the ruler on the Juice serie? There's only one model that has a ruler on the handles, as we can find on the normal wave, surge or any other tool. The KF4 is the only model. The next multi-tool video should be a review of the incredible Juice Pro. So stay tuned, subscribe, hit the bell button to get the latest news from Lookem. Share, like, comment. Thanks for watching. I'm still Frank and you're still watching Lookem. Bye!